So guys, this is my view. This is October 22nd. We are in the Bahamas, but this is the view from my ocean view cabin. I believe we are already docked at the island, but you can't really see it from this angle. So I'm gonna go out and hopefully we can get to show you the island. But this is my morning view, guys. They also mentioned that today's going to be very rainy. Okay, most of it's going to be very rainy. So we're just going to have a full fun day at sea today. I like to be on an island somewhere, okay? But guys, it has been so windy. The wind has been so strong ever since a few days ago before we left Miami. And I thought the wind would have died down, but the wind's not died down. Thank you, you too. So it's a fun day at sea today. So hopefully it will be good. I will definitely go around the ship and try to get different, give you guys a good tour of the ship. I know there are many videos out there already about the ship, but I'm going to give you my tour of the ship, being that we're going to spend all day on board. To be at sea today. No choice but, because the plan was, guys, we were supposed to be out at 8 o'clock and we would spend the whole day today on the island and to come back on ship. We have until 11:30 p.m. at night, and then we would stay docked on the island or at the island, and then we would be at the island tomorrow as well, Sunday, and then leave tomorrow afternoon to head back to Miami. But it's a fun day at sea, guys. It is what it is. Okay. wind. You hear it? Oh my gosh. So guys, we're not the only one just floating at sea. Trying to zoom in and see if I could show you guys Carnival. Carnival is all the way out there. I don't think you can see it, but Carnival is also out there, that is also floating at sea right now, just cruising around. And Disney is over there, you can't really see it, and there's another ship in the back. There's another ship in the back. So we're all just at sea because of the high winds and waves. We can't dock into the ports. So that's what's going on right now. Let me show you a little bit of the ocean. There it is. You can see the rollers. Very windy outside. Very windy outside, guys. I love cruising, however, I like to dock at a port when I'm supposed to dock at a port. That's it, guys, for right now.